Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Jyoti Kohli Daily Dose of English. Have you ever been asked, how do you practice work life balance? This question can even come up in your IELTS exam. If someone asked you this question, how would you respond? In this video, we will explore simple and effective ways to answer that question. You will learn key vocabulary, useful phrases, and sample conversations that will help you express your thoughts with confidence. Stay tuned, and by the end, you will feel ready to share your own approach to balancing work and life. Before we dive into the sample answers, let's familiarize ourselves with some key vocabulary and expressions you will encounter. Understanding these terms will help you better understand the concepts of work life balance and how to effectively communicate your thoughts in your responses. So let's get started. Now let's take a look at the key terms and their meanings that will be important for our discussion. So the first one is clear boundaries. It means when you are defining the limits between work and personal life. Number two is leave work at the door. It means not bringing work related stress home. Number three is all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. This is a saying that means too much work without leisure makes life uninteresting. Number four is carve out time. It means to make time for something important. Number five is prioritizing my mental health. It means to focus on maintaining good mental well being. Number six is schedule breaks. It means to plan specific times to take short breaks during work. Number seven is unplug. It means to disconnect from technology and work. Number eight, we have filling my cup. It means to take care of yourself to ensure that you have energy and positivity to give to others. Number nine is strike that balance. It means to find a good balance between two competing demands. Number 10 is intentional with my time. It means to purposefully managing how I spend my time. Work smarter, not harder. It means to focus on efficiency rather than just putting in more effort. Number 12 is get bogged down. It means to feel overwhelmed with too much work. Then we have switch gears. It means to change activities or mindsets. Then we have taking my vacation days. It means to use time off to relax. Then we have life is too short to work all the time. It means to enjoy life beyond work. And then the last one is working to live, not living to work. It means to give value to your life experiences over work. Now let's take a look at our sample answers. You will find all the vocabulary we just discussed integrated into these responses, which will help you illustrate how to use these terms in context. So let's get started. I really try to keep a healthy work life balance by setting clear boundaries. When I'm done with work for the day, I switch off my email notifications. It's important to leave work at the door. I also make time for hobbies and spending time with family and friends. You know what they say, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So I make sure to carve out time for fun. For me, practicing work life balance means prioritizing my mental health. I schedule breaks throughout my day to recharge, and I make it a point to unplug on the weekends. I like to think of it as filling my cup. If I don't take care of myself, I can't give my best at work. Plus, I enjoy outdoor activities, which help me unwind and stay active. It's all about striking the balance, right? To maintain a good work life balance, I really focus on being intentional with my time. I make it a point to work smarter, not harder. I prioritize my tasks so I don't get bogged down with less important stuff. After work, I try to switch gears by doing something relaxing like reading or going for a walk. I also believe in taking my vacation days. Life is too short to work all the time, right? At the end of the day, I want to be able to say I'm not just working to live, but living my life fully. And that's all. I hope you liked today's video. If yes, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next week. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye. Take care.